Radio buttons are very similar to checkbox. In fact, under the hood, they almost work the same way with one exception, and that is there is no such concept as creating a single radio button. Radio buttons always have to be created in groups. And because they are so similar, instead of creating new ones, I'm just going to change the two checkbox we have created before. So instead of checkbox field, it takes radio group. And as you can see by the name, it is a group, not a single one. And because of that, the coordinates that you gave it cannot just be a single numeric value. If you have a static analyzer for your editor enabled, it will actually complain. Instead, it will have to take a list of coordinates for both x and y respectively. So let's go ahead and change the x coordinate to a list, and we're going to do 300, 400, and 500. And then for the y coordinates, we're just gonna do triple 700. And this way we'll have, when that does come out, there will be 3 radio buttons under the same group that are vertically aligned, except horizontally they will span across here, here, and here. Let's do the same thing with the other one. So instead of checkbox, we have radio group. And then instead of 400, let's also change it to basically what we did here. And then for the Y, let's also do triple 600 this time instead. So, all right, let's run that. And we have created 2 groups of radio buttons. As you can see, the same customizations we have done for checkbox also works for radio buttons. We have made it a larger size, so 50. And also the button style is diamond instead of the regular circular tick that you would normally see for regular radio buttons. Because we have created two groups of radio buttons, selecting one in each group deselect the other 2 in that same group, as you can see. There is one additional customization you can do to radio buttons rather than that you cannot do for checkbox, and that is you can change its shape as well. So for the bottom radio button group, I'm going to change its shape from the default of radio button is circle. Instead, we're gonna do square. And if we look at that, you will see that it may still look like a checkbox, but under the hood, it is actually a group of radio buttons because, again, select one, deselect the other 2.